morning students and welcome to the class. As we have completed our poem, we have done the hard words, word meaning, and we have read also and I have explained also our classroom. And it was really an interesting poem, and the poet of this poem is Betsy Franco. Who is the poet? Betsy Franco. Today we are going to do the summary of this poem. If we just see that in this poem, the poem asks us to look around. To look around in our classroom, we can see that different things in our classroom, and there are so many objects that have the parts similar to our body. It seems that the things or objects which are in our classroom also have the body parts like us, and it seems that the classroom is alive. It makes us feel that the classroom is alive. So today we are going to do the summary of this poem, our classroom. So before starting the summary, we are going to read the poem again. The chair has arms, the clock a face, the kites have long and twirly tails, the tacks have heads, the books have spines, the toolbox has a set of nails, our shoes have tongues, the marble eyes. The wooden desk has legs and seat, the cup have lips, my watch has hands, the classroom rulers all have feet, heads, arms, hands, nails, spines, legs, feet, tails, face, lip, tongue, eyes. What a surprise! Is our classroom alive? So in this poem, the poet, the speaker is telling that if we just look around, we can see the body parts of other objects also same like us. For example, the chair has arms. The chair has arms same as a human beings. कि चेयर के भी आर्म्स होती हैं जैसे कि हमारे होती हैं. The clock a face, और क्लॉक के फेस होता है और क्लॉक के पास हैंड भी होते हैं. एज वी जस्ट रेड इन द मैथ्स that short hand and long hand means the clock has the face and the hands. The kite has a tail like the animals. जैसे animals की tail होती हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही जो kite है उसके भी कैसे होते हैं. The twirly tails. Twirly means the curly tail. The tacks have heads. And the tacks means that all pins, we can say, they have the head. They have the head like the human beings. The books have spines. Books have spines. Spine is this part which support the book to just manage all the papers. जैसे हमारी बॉडी में पीछे क्या होती है? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड होती है. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड in Hindi we say, what we say in the Hindi that spinal cord is there, रीढ़ की हड्डी. The same, वो हमारी पूरी बॉडी को बैलेंस करके रखती है. The same, the book also have the spine that just control and balance the whole book. Understand? The books have spines. The toolbox has a set of nails. The toolbox में क्या होते हैं? A set of nails. टूल बॉक्स के अंदर सेट ऑफ नेल्स मीन्स एज वी हैव द नेल्स ऑन आवर फिंगर. जैसे हमारे फिंगर में हमारे नेल्स होते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही जो टूल बॉक्स है उसमें जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है उसे नेल बोलते हैं. मीन्स टूल बॉक्स के पास भी नेल्स होते हैं बिल्कुल हमारी तरह. आवर शू हैव टंग्स. Our shoe have tongues. This part of the shoe is known as tongue, means the shoes have the on tongue also. The marbles eyes. Marbles I hope everyone know. आप सबको पता है marbles. Marbles are these and it seems like eye. और उसका जो बीच का पार्ट है बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि हमारी आइज़ होती हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही मार्बल दिखता है. मार्बल इन हिंदी वैसे कंचे that the earlier the child were using to play the marbles. Next, the wooden desk has legs and seat. If we see our wooden desk or the table, we can see that they have the legs. जो टेबल होते हैं उनके क्या होते हैं? लेग्स होते हैं एंड अ सीट फॉर सिटिंग. ऐसा फील होता है जैसे एक ह्यूमन बैठता है लाइक दिस, दैट द एज द ह्यूमन इज सिटिंग, जैसे एक इंसान बैठते हैं लाइक दिस. The same, the table is also sitting. This is the seat and these are the legs of the table. The cup has lips and the cup have lips. It just seems that this is the lips of the cup. My watch has hands, and if you see the watch, they have the hands. Watch have hands. And the classroom rulers all have feet, means there are the measurement feature that is known as 1 foot. The ruler means the scale. Scale has same feet like us. As we have the feet, the same the classroom also have the feet. So we can see in our classroom, अगर हम ध्यान से देखिए तो हमारे क्लासरूम में क्या है? हेड्स, लेग्स, आर्म्स, हैंड्स, नेल्स, स्पाइन्स, लिप्स, eyes, face, tails, feet, tongues, and these all are the name of the body parts. These all are the name of body parts that we have. It means जैसे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं बिल्कुल वही नाम इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के हैं. मीन्स जैसे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं इनके भी बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं. सो व्हाट अ सरप्राइज, ये तो सच में बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंग थिंग है. इज़ आवर क्लासरूम अलाइव, इसका मतलब क्या हमारी क्लासरूम सच में अलाइव है, लिविंग थिंग है. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू लव दिस पोम बिकॉज दिस पोम इज़ फुल ऑफ इमेजिनेशन, क्योंकि जो ये पोम है ये पूरी तरह से इमेजिनेशन से फुल है. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू एन्जॉय दिस पोम. सो